everyone, we're going to find the area of the region shared by the two circles r equal to cosine of theta and r equal to sine of theta. I did a quick sketch of these. The blue one is your sine. The red one is your cosine. And so what they're looking for is this area inside the loop here. So basically for cosine, or for sine, this would be this area in here, or you can look at that, and then for the other side it would be here. Now it's symmetric to the line pi divided by 4. And again, to get this intersection here of the circles, and it also intersects at the pole here, you just set these equal to each other. 2 cosine of theta equals to sine of theta. And so the 2's will divide out. And if you divide both sides by cosine, you get 1 equals sine of theta divided by cosine of theta, which equals tan of theta. So theta would be pi divided by 4, which is your intersection. And of course, 0 would work as well. So basically, there's your intersection, and that's just a quick way to look at that. But for setting up our integral, so when the area equals, what I can do is, since this is this is symmetric to this line right here, I can look at my sine graph, which is the blue one, and take the area right in here from 0 to pi divided by 4. All right. If I said pi divided by 4 to pi divided by 2, we'd be looking at this area, which is not shared. So all I need to do is look at one of our circles, and I'm just going to look at the sine one and evaluate this area, or find this area, and then multiply it by 2. So we're going to take 2 times the integral from 0 to pi divided by 4. And that will give me this other area here as well when we multiply it by 2. So now let's use our formula. This is going to be 1/2 r, we're just going to use sine, 2 sine, d theta. Okay, so 2 times 1/2 is just 1. So those are going to disappear. And we're going to get the integral from 0 to pi divided by 4 of 2 sine of theta. Let's square this. Forgot my square. So this is going to be 4 sine squared of theta d theta. For integration purposes, it's a lot easier to integrate when we use this trig identity and simplify that way. So basically what you're going to do is write this as the integral from 0 to pi divided by 4. We have this 1/2, so that's just be 4 divided by 2. And then we have 1 minus cosine of 2 theta d theta. Okay, from here, this is just 2. So before we integrate, just multiply that 2, and this is going to be 2 minus 2 cosine of 2 theta d theta. So this is the part we're going to integrate. And when you do that, you're going to get this equals 2 theta minus sine of 2 theta from 0 to pi divided by 4. Okay, so this is going to be 2 times pi divided by 4 minus sine of 2 times pi divided by 4. All right, and then we're going to have minus the 0 part, so it's going to be 0 minus 0. So we can just knock that out. So this is going to give you pi divided by 2 minus sine of pi divided by 2. This equals 1. So your area is going to equal pi divided by 2 minus 1. And that's for the area shared by the two circles. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.